Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can run an HTML file in a browser, a web browser for example, on a Visual Studio Code app. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to your HTML file or code here on Visual Studio Code, and as you can see I created that example code here. So what you want to do guys is navigate to the extensions tab here on the left hand side. You may also use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+X. Then look for an extension called Open in Browser. You can also type in here in the search, Open in Browser, for example, wait for the search, and then select this one here. Install it. As you can see, I've already installed it, so I can only uninstall it. You will see the install button here. Wait for a brief moment so that the browser may be installed. And once that's done, you can navigate back to your Explorer, right-click into your HTML file, and then select Open in Default Browser or Alt-B. And then you'll be redirected to the preview of your HTML file or code here, as you can see. So that's exactly the one we've been using here. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.